Over the years, with tech improvements, front-load washing machines have started having minimal differences between brands and capabilities. So now, the differences are mainly in the long-term reliability, their service quality, maintenance cost, and some minor differentiated features. Keeping all these factors in mind, I've analyzed over 80 front-load washing machines to help you select the right front-load washing machine for you. We will focus on the 8 kg front-load washing machines, which are the most popular segment, which is ideal for 2 to 5 people. Most of the brands I recommend have smaller or larger sizes as well. Your first decision should be to decide what size of washing machine you need, which again should be decided based on both your family size and how often you wash your clothes. 8 kg is suitable for 2 to 5 people, but if you tend to do your laundry less frequently, then you will need a larger size than that determined by your family size. 8 kg machines can fit double blankets and curtains, but would be a better fit in larger sizes as well. Now let's talk about the efficiency of a washing machine. The spin speed tells you how dry your clothes are after the wash cycle. Higher spin speed means reduced drying time after wash. In 8 kg, 1200 and 1400 RPM are the most common sizes, and most brands have variants for both sizes. While 1400 RPM does dry clothes better, it can be rough for delicate fabrics. So all washing machines do allow us to adjust the spin speed or even turn off the spinning for clothes that require to be handled gently. Remember, front-load washing machines do not dry 100%. But if you do want 100% drying, you can consider a washer-dryer combo instead, or a separate dryer if you have the space and budget for it. Check the video that I have linked over here if that's what you need. Next, let's talk about the inverter motor. Every front-load washing machine in 2026 is now 5-star rated and uses an inverter or a BLDC motor technology. BLDC or brushless direct current motors are a subset of the inverter technology. They remove carbon brushes for better efficiency with less noise and less vibration. Most current inverter motors are brushless motors, although different brands use different names. Bosch markets their version as the EcoSilence Drive, while Samsung refers to theirs as digital inverter motor. Both are BLDC motors. Even today, I do receive questions on direct drive versus belt drive motors. Direct drive motors attach directly to the drum, so there is lesser complexity and reduced vibration and noise. These are more expensive to repair in general, as the drum also might need to be replaced. In general, LG and higher have direct drive motors. On the other hand, most machines from Samsung, IFB and Bosch have belt drive motors, where the motor connects to the drum via a belt. These are more rugged and they're also cheaper to repair. While previously direct drive motors were considered to be much superior, there have been many advancements in belt drive machines to reduce the noise levels as well as the vibrations. In my opinion, this decision of belt drive or direct drive should not drive your choice of washing machine. Now let's talk about AI in washing machines. We are seeing AI being pushed into many washing machines these days. Most of them only mean basics like detecting the weight or fabric type or automatically adjusting water use and the cycle duration based on the load and so on. These were already achievable without the use of AI, and now they are just marketed as AI. Now, continuous use of hard water not only damages the washing machine in the long run, but it also affects the wash quality. Many front-load washing machines these days have started claiming support for hard water, which is a welcome move. But none of them say what level of hard water they support. So it is always better to add a water softener to any of your large appliances to extend their life. Amongst the front-load washing machines compared, IFB is the only one that treats hard water with their Aqua Energy feature. Samsung uses EcoBubble to make sure that the detergent creates foam to penetrate fabric better, which otherwise would not happen with hard water. And Whirlpool uses a software approach. LG and Bosch only claim their support for hard water, but it is not clear how. Now, all front-load washing machines these days include an integrated heater, enabling hot water cycles, which are generally useful for heavily soiled clothes or for sanitization. But remember, use of hot water is harsh on clothes, so use it only if the fabric allows for it. Recent detergent and washing machine technology are even great at washing with room temperature water. Most brands will still advertise 15, 20 or more programs or downloadable programs. But in reality, most of us only use 3 to 5 programs, using mainly let's say a delicate wash, a regular wash or a quick wash setting. That's why I always say number of programs should not influence your decision of which machine to buy. That said, if it does matter to you, Samsung and Bosch offer the maximum number of programs, while some premium models of LG, Samsung, IFB and Bosch do allow you to download or customize the programs using the app. All front-load washing machines these days use stainless steel drums with various different patterns, which each brand claims helps with better wash quality and reduce tangling of clothes. For example, Samsung promotes their diamond drum, Bosch has the Vario drum, IFB uses a crescent moon design for their drums, Godrej has the Hexa drum while LG has the turbo drum technology. Now all of these designs obviously give a decent wash quality with very little difference between them. Another area where brands are aggressively marketing is their smart features. Smart washing machines generally cost more, so invest in it only if you will genuinely use it. Mainly with smart features you can achieve one or more of these functions I'll talk about. One, you can remotely control the cycle, that is, when you want to start and when you want to stop the washing machine. This is useful if we want to time the washing machine to when we are ready to remove the clothes from the washing machine to avoid smells. 2. Get maintenance alerts and debugging, but this is only for minor defects. Major defects we still need to call support. 3. Automatic detergent dispensing, which is generally available in larger sizes of 10 kg plus, which is kind of useful but is not available in the 8 kg washing machines. And lastly, downloadable or customizable programs, which in my opinion are not that useful. If you're looking for a smart washing machine, amongst the various brands, Samsung offers the most advanced ones with good app functionality. But smart washing machines do cost more, so invest in it only if you will genuinely use it. Now some capabilities are standard across all front-load washing machines. Let's talk about those. First is adding clothes mid-cycle. Some of us have a need for adding clothes mid-cycle. Due to the issue of water spillage or heat of water, front-load washing machines generally require all the clothes to be loaded before the main wash cycle starts, or before the drum is filled with water. The ones that allow us to add clothes only allow us in the first few minutes of the wash or when the water level is lower than the rubber gasket. IFB, LG and Bosch include this functionality by default across most of their range of washing machines. Samsung only offers it in select models. Child lock, rat mesh and auto restart after power interruption is available in all front-load washing machines. No differentiation there. Now let's talk about warranty and service satisfaction. While product capabilities are more or less standard across various brands of front-load washing machines that we saw, warranty and service is vastly different. Warranty in general is 2 years with 10 years on the motor with some exceptions. IFB has a full product warranty for 4 years. Haier has 5 years on the product. Samsung provides 20 years warranty on their inverter compressor. Haier and Bosch cover their motors for about 12 years. I analyzed over hundreds of customer reviews across various different brands to assess the product performance and reliability as well as their service experience. So LG, Samsung, Bosch, including their Siemens brand and IFB consistently receive the highest satisfaction ratings for both product durability as well as service responsiveness. But service quality is very highly location dependent. PCB replacement costs are the most common long-term maintenance costs in front-load washing machines. Amongst the major brands, Samsung and LG have the most affordable and available PCB replacements, typically between 3,500 to 6,000. Bosch and Siemens are the most expensive at around 8 to 12,000, while the rest lie in between from a cost and availability point of view. IFB has a longer warranty period, so we don't need to worry about the maintenance for almost 4 years. So among front-load washing machines, you will get the best value for money in the 25 to 35,000 segment. Generally, above that segment, the incremental benefits are minimal, and below that segment, you will need to compromise on the service and the maintenance. One hot tip if you want to reduce prices. In front-load washing machines, the white color of the same model is often cheaper than the other colors. So if you are on a budget but don't want to compromise on the features, go for the white color washing machine. So now that you understand how to narrow down the right front-load washing machine based on your needs, let's get to my top recommendations for this year. Let's start with the value segment for the 8 kg washing machines. This is where you will see the best product capabilities along with the best service network and long-term maintainability of the front-load washing machines. From over 40 plus products above 30,000, I have 4 recommendations for you, and most of my recommendations are in this segment. Closer to the 30,000 price point is the Whirlpool Supreme Care. Whirlpool is one of the few brands that also supports low water pressure for the washing machine, even as low as 0.017 MPa. So it is useful for higher floors of apartments where water pressure is generally lower. Service network, however, is not as good as LG and Samsung, and there can be installation and service delays. Of course, that always depends on the area that you live in. Next is the IFB Senator GXL, which has a 1200 RPM motor, and the IFB Senator Plus, which has a 1400 RPM motor at only about 1500 rupees more. After hire, IFB has the highest warranty on the product of 4 years with 10 years on the motor and spare parts availability. IFB is also one of the few front-load washing machine brands that handles hard water better with the Aqua Energy device for water softening. This model also includes Wi-Fi to select and download additional programs and to operate the machine remotely. It is also voice enabled via Alexa and Google Assistant. Overall, great value at this budget. Next is the Samsung EcoBubble front-load washing machine. Samsung has by far the best service network in the country. The EcoBubble technology helps to create bubbles for a better wash quality both at room temperature conditions and in hard water conditions. This model also comes with Wi-Fi to allow you to operate the machine remotely, select programs, monitor energy utilization. If you're looking for a smart washing machine amongst the front-load washing machines, Samsung is the best. And lastly, the LG front-load washing machine that you see on the screen. LG uses the direct drive technology, so it is generally expected to make less noise and have lesser vibrations. Compared to the other recommended machines, this is a 1200 RPM front-load washing machine. In fact, most LG front-load washing machines limit at 1200 RPM. So drying will be a bit lesser than the others. This washing machine also supports Wi-Fi and allows remote operation via the ThinQ app. But like I said earlier, if smart features is an extensive use for you, then go for a Samsung instead. The next segment between 25 to 30,000 where you will see mid-range to premium brands with essential feature sets. From the over 10 plus products compared here, I have 2 recommendations for you. My first recommendation is the Haier front-load washing machine that you see on the screen. At under 30,000, Haier gives one of the best warranty of 5 years on the product with 20 years on the motor. It has one of the largest drums which provides enough space for loading large items like duvets. It also improves fabric care due to more moving space for the clothes and ensures deep cleaning. As for the cons, there have been service delays and service network is not as good as the other premium brands like LG and Samsung. My next recommendation is the Bosch Series 2 front-load washing machine that you see on the screen. The other colors of the same model are almost 3 to 4,000 higher. This is an essential front-load washing machine with anti-tangle and anti-wrinkle feature for better post-wash care. It also has hygienic wash and steam antibacterial features for better sanitization. And the EcoSilence Drive brushless inverter motor for energy efficiency, low noise and vibration levels. Overall, a great budget option. The incremental value in Series 4 compared to the Series 2 is minimal. That's why I continue to recommend the Series 2. Lastly, the budget segment under 25,000. Here you will get decent product capabilities but very average service network. Be aware of this before ordering. I have only one recommendation here amongst the 5 plus products available in this segment. And it is the Motorola Super Steam 8 kg front-load washing machine. At an attractive price of under 27,000, this is a fully loaded washing machine with essential features. 1400 RPM motor with 5-star energy efficiency, 15 wash programs including quick wash, daily, cotton, eco, delicate amongst other programs, and the ability to set water level based on the amount of clothes in the machine. Motorola service is just okay, so if that is a concern for you, check my other recommendations. If you're looking for front-load washing machines under 25,000, you will not get an 8 kg one. You will need to go for a 7 kg size or smaller. All my recommendations have a smaller size as well, which I have linked below. If you found this video useful, share the video and subscribe to become part of the 2 lakh plus community that trusts us with their decision making. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.